So you want to start vlogging in 2025? My name is Simone. Welcome back to my channel. So you want to start vlogging in 2025? Well, sis, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to document your life, build a personal brand, or just secure the bag with that YouTube AdSense coin, I got you. Today I'm breaking down everything you need to know to start vlogging. What gear you need, how to film, what to post, and how to actually grow your channel. So grab your coffee, your tea, get comfy, and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about what you actually need to start vlogging. And no, you do not need a fancy $1,000 camera. If you got a smartphone, you can start today. Gear you can start with, iPhone 14, 15, or even a good Android perfectly works. Just clean your lens, girl. An affordable camera option would be the Canon G7X Mark III or the Sony ZV-1 if you want to get fancy. Now you will also need a tripod and stabilizer. If you want to avoid the shaky look that you sometimes see in some people's videos, that is what that is for. Get a good mini tripod or a gimbal. Next, you want to make sure you have good lighting. Natural light is free, but a small ring light is a great investment. Microphone. A microphone is optional, but a wireless mic, the Rode Wireless Go, makes audio crispy. Moral of the story, start with what you have. Content is king, quality can come later. Alright, so you got your gear. Now let's talk about filming, because baby, nobody wants to watch a boring vlog. Have a storyline. Instead of just recording random clips, think about your vlog as a story. You're trying to vlog your life. It's supposed to tell a story. What's the beginning? What's the middle? What's the end? Film from different angles. Don't just hold your camera in front of your face the whole time. Get some B-roll, aesthetic shots, and switch it up. Keep your clips short and snappy. The average attention span is like this short. Cut out the fluff. Talk to the camera like it's your bestie, like how I'm doing now. Your energy matters. If you're excited, your audience will tell. Now the big question, what should you actually vlog about? If you're stuck, here are some fire vlog ideas that actually will help you grow and get views. Day in my life, for example, day in my life at work, day in my life at college, day in my life as a mom, day in my life as a single mom of 2, get ready with me, aesthetic morning routine, travel vlog, even if it's just a weekend getaway, a weekly reset, Sunday reset routine, life updates, story time, come run errands with me, stuff like that. Pro tip, if you're unsure what to vlog or what to post, go to YouTube and search YouTube vlog 2025. You'll see what's trending. Okay, you filmed your first vlog. Now what? Editing. And no, it doesn't have to be hard. Beginner friendly editing apps, CapCut, VN Editor, and Final Cut Pro. CapCut is free and super easy to use. VN Editor is great for aesthetic edits, and Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere if you're trying to go pro. Some key editing tips. Keep your vlogs under 15 minutes for beginners. Add aesthetic text and animations. It helps with your watch time. Use background music, lo-fi, R&B vibes, or whatever matches your energy. Cut out the ums and the long pauses. Keep it engaging. Now let's get into the juicy part. How do you actually get views and grow your channel? Use searchable video titles. Instead of my first vlog, try my first vlog 2025, day in my life as and your niche. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Bright, clear, and text that pops. SEO matters. Use keywords in your title, description, and tags like how to start vlogging, beginner vlogger, vlogging tips 2025, YouTube growth tips, or content creator tips. Stay consistent. Upload at least 1 to 2 times per week. Promote your vlog. Post clips on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, or even Pinterest. Engage with the comments. The more interaction, the more YouTube pushes your video. And that's how you start vlogging in 2025. If you're ready to finally start your YouTube journey, comment below. I'm starting my vlog era, so I know who's serious. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell because I've got more YouTube growth tips coming. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.